Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Arobi cookbook. Today I'll be showing us how to make moi coconut moi to be precise. After adding some peeled beans into a blender, you can add some tatashe, red bell pepper, onions, and then some people could add crayfish, and I added a bit of garlic into it just to give it some spices. After that, blend to a smooth, then add it into a bowl. Pour it into a bowl. After that, you can mix thoroughly until it is very smooth. So after this, I went on to add some coconut milk powder just to give it some additional taste. Added some seasoning cubes, and then I added some curry powder. This is optional though, but I normally add it to it. It is what I was taught in the cooking class I attended earlier. And then you can add some salt to taste and some crayfish powder if you haven't blended it in earlier on. You can mix all this together and then let it be so smooth. Don't forget to add your oil. You could use vegetable oil, coconut oil, anyone you prefer. So I'm just going to be mixing this until it is evenly distributed. Then I'll begin to add them into the pouch. You could use some moi leaf, you could use some nylon, some bags, but I have this moi pouch that I got from Amazon. So then I'm just going to be adding a bit of the boiled egg to it just to give it that surprises when I'm eating it. You could use some boiled fish, fried fish, you could use corned beef or any other proteins that look palatable to you. So after adding this, I will just seal up my moi pouch. So I'll be doing this for a couple of times. After that, I'll add it into the pot to boil for about 45 to 1 hour. Okay, so the moi is ready. After about an hour, I will just release this from the moi cooking pouch. And then this is our moi. This is also called beans pudding. Moi is ready, very hot. You could see that I was trying to avoid the heat from the pouch and from the moi itself. So this really went well. It can go with bread, it can go with bread, it can go with moi. It could go with bread, it could go with ogi pap, and it will go with gari or any other thing that you seems palatable with it, or echo. So let me know what you think about this in the comments.